Prime Minister Narendra Modi virtually inaugurated indoor cricket academies in Manipur and Arunachal Pradesh from Gangtok, marking a major boost for sports infrastructure in the northeast. Built at least a 20 crore rupees, built at least at the cost of 20 crore rupees, Manipur Cricket Association's Indoor Cricket Academy, funded by the Board of Control for Cricket in India (BCCI), was inaugurated at Luang Pokpa Cricket Stadium in Luang Sangbam as part of the launch of Indoor Cricket Academies for Northeastern State Associations. The foundation stone for the project was laid in May 2024 by Jai Shah during his tenure as BCCI Secretary. Speaking on the occasion, Secretary of Manipur Cricket Association, Lairenjam Gitaranjan, described the occasion as a historic moment for cricket in the state and thanked Jai Shah for extending support to the project during his tenure as BCCI Secretary. He said the academy is a world-class facility equipped with 3 indoor practice pitches, a gymnasium, an administrative office, and a swimming pool. Speaking further, Gitaranjan added that the BCCI will bear the maintenance and operational expenses for the academy for the next 2 years. He added that the indoor facility will significantly benefit players in Manipur, especially during the rainy season, as training camps and coaching sessions can now continue throughout the year without the need to send players outside the state. The inauguration program was attended by MNCA officials, including the Secretary, along with other association members.
In Manipur, especially rainy state, it will help us a lot bringing up our players because earlier years, we have so much of expenditure sending our boys and girls to the other state for the camp. But now since we have this, so we can conduct our own camp here. Even if it rain also, we can carry on our coaching camp and enhancement skill activities here in this indoor academy.